1.1 of question number 2. Question number 1 is given on last videos. See here, the question number 2 is coordinate of point A and B are given as x and y and find the distance between point A and B. See here, some coordinates are given in the form of x and y and we have to find out the distance between that points. So let's start here. The first is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. Here coordinate of a point A is x is equal to 1 and coordinate of a point B, y is equal to 7. So right here, coordinate of A is x is equal to 1, whereas and that of B is y is equal to 7. Now you can see x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Here 7 is greater than 1. So for find out distance between any two points, we have to subtract smaller coordinate from larger coordinate. So the larger coordinate is 7 minus smaller 1, which is equal to 6. So right here, distance between point A and B is 6 unit. And bracket it. Now for second, this is the solution of first. Now for second, here x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 2. That means coordinate of a point A is x is equal to 6 and coordinate of a point y, B, is y is equal to minus 2. So right here first, coordinate of A is x is equal to 6 and that of B is y is equal to minus 2. Follow same procedure for every question. Here 6 is greater than minus 2. Every positive number is greater than every negative numbers. So right here, distance between point A and B is 6 minus minus 2. After subtracting, minus minus get divide, minus minus get add. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So right here, distance of a point AB is equal to 8 units. And bracket it. Same as third one. Here coordinate of a point A is given x is equal to minus 3 and coordinate of a point B is given y is equal to 7. First write here, coordinate of a point A is x is equal to minus 3 and that of B is y is equal to 7. You can see here 7 is greater than minus 3. Right here 7 is greater than minus 3. So let's find out distance between point A and B is larger coordinate number minus smaller coordinate number. Minus minus get add. So the answer is 7 plus 3, 10 units. Right here, distance of a point A and B is 10 units. Now the fourth one. See here. Here coordinate of a point A is x is equal to minus 4 and coordinate of a point B is y is equal to minus 5. Let's first write it. Coordinate of a point A is x is equal to minus 4 and that of y is that of B is y is equal to minus 5. Here minus 4 is greater than minus 5. We know that on a number line minus 4 is left hand side, minus 4 is right hand side and minus 5 left hand side on a number line. That's why minus 4 is a greater than minus 5. So right here distance between point A and B is greater coordinate is -4 minus smaller coordinate is -5. -4 as it is, and this minus minus get add. So -4 plus 5, the answer is 1, positive. Hence, you can write here, distance between A and B is 1 unit. Now next one, always remember that the distance between any two points is always a positive number. Now the fifth one, see here, coordinate of a point A is given x is equal to -3 and coordinate of a point B is given y is equal to -6. So first write here, coordinate of A is given, which is x is equal to -3, and that of B is y is equal to -6. Now see here, -6 is left hand side while -3 is at right hand side on number line. So -6 is less than -3. That is, -3 is greater than -6. So the distance between point A and B is larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. -3 as it is, and this negative get positive right here, plus 6. So -3 plus 6 is equal to 3. Hence the distance between point A and B is 3 unit. Now the last one, given coordinate of a point A is x is equal to 4 and that of B is -8. So right here, coordinate of x is equal to 4 and that of B y is equal to -8. Now you can see, this is the positive number, this is negative number, and all positive numbers are greater than negative number. So right here, 4 is greater than -8. Hence the distance between point A and B is larger coordinate minus this smaller coordinate. Minus minus get plus, right here 4 plus 8, and the answer is 12 units. So the distance between point A and B is 12 units. This is the solution of question number